A jury heard opening statements today in the case of a South Spokane murder that happened 2.5 years ago. According to court documents, Bob Tester was bludgeoned and stabbed repeatedly in his home in the early hours of September 6th of 2016. His 8-year-old daughter was in bed next to him and told investigators she woke up to hear her father screaming. John Arthur Radovich was arrested the following January. Our camera was the only one in the courtroom for the start of Radovich's trial today. KXLY4's Caroline Rourke joins us now with how the attorneys laid out their cases. Caroline?
Aaron, in court today, John Radovich's defense attorney says he doesn't plan to dispute the big picture here, claiming instead that Bob Tester's death was caused by a fight that Radovich ended out of self-defense. The state of Washington says this is premeditated murder, and during their opening statements today, they offered several witnesses to make that case. One of those witnesses is a friend of John Radovich's who got a call from him on Christmas Day of 2016. The friend recorded that call, and the jury heard it in court today. Radovich is heard saying he, quote, had enough of alleged abuse by Tester toward Radovich's ex-girlfriend, and that he, quote, removed him from the equation. The state maintains that as evidence of a formulated plan, but Radovich's defense says this was not murder, that Radovich was only reacting to defend himself.
But the evidence that will come through that witness stand over the next 2 weeks will show you that he thoughtfully planned and executed this brutal murder.
And the state forensics folks are going to describe a bloody battle. A bloody battle that was a fight started by Mr. Tester.
The state also brought Bob Tester's mother to the witness stand today. She and her husband called police after their 8-year-old granddaughter called that morning to tell them what had happened. The state has several other witnesses it plans to call to the stand, including detectives and investigators who responded to that scene on that September morning and are expected to describe that. We will keep you updated as this trial continues. In Spokane, I'm Caroline Rourke, KXLY4 News.